Agriculture, the backbone of human civilization. Agriculture is the practice of cultivating the land, growing crops, and raising animals for food, fiber, fuel, and other products. It is one of the oldest human activities and continues to play a vital role in the economy, culture, and survival of societies worldwide. In India and many other countries, agriculture forms the foundation of rural life and sustains millions of livelihoods. Introduction to agriculture. Agriculture is the science and art of producing food, fodder, and raw materials for various industries. It is influenced by factors such as climate, soil, water availability, topography, and technology. Farming methods vary from traditional subsistence farming to modern commercial agriculture, depending on the scale, purpose, and resources used. Agriculture not only provides food for human consumption but also supports industries, generates employment, and contributes to the nation's GDP. Types of agriculture. Agriculture can be classified based on purpose, scale, and method. First is subsistence versus commercial farming. Subsistence farming. Farming for personal or family consumption, surplus if any, is sold locally. Example, small scale rice or wheat cultivation in villages. Commercial farming, large scale production aimed at selling crops for profit. Example includes sugarcane, cotton, and oilseed farms. Number 2 is intensive versus extensive farming. Intensive farming, high input, labors, fertilizers, or irrigations per unit of land to maximize yield, common in fertile plains. Extensive farming, low input per unit area, often practiced on large tracts of land with mechanization or natural fertility. Example, wheat farms in Punjab and Haryana. Number 3, plantation farming. Large-scale farming focus on cash crops like tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, and bananas. Requires a tropical or subtropical climate with consistent rainfall. Mixed and subsidiary farming. Mixed farming, cultivation of crops and rearing of animals together. Subsidiary activities includes dairy, poultry, and fish farming integrated with main crop cultivation. Now, what are the types of crops? Crops can be categorized based on season, climate, and usage. Now, what are seasonal crops? Rabi crops, sown in winter and harvested in spring. Example, wheat, barley, or mustard. Kharif crops, sown during monsoon and harvested in autumn. Example, rice, maize, or cotton. Zaid crops, short duration crops grown in summer. Watermelon, cucumber, or vegetables. Now, food crops versus cash crops. Food crops grown for human consumption. Rice, wheat, maize, pulses. Cash crops grown primarily for trade and industry like tea, coffee, cotton, sugarcane. Horticultural crops includes fruits, vegetables, flowers, and spices like mango, banana, tomato, rose, or saffron. Plantation crops require tropical or subtropical climates, large investment, and are mostly export oriented. For example, tea in Assam, coffee in Karnataka, and rubber in Kerala. Now, soil and its role in agriculture. Soil is the primary medium for growing crops. Its texture, fertility, moisture holding capacity, and pH determine agricultural productivities. Alluvial soil is fertile, found in river plains, ideal for wheat, rice, and sugarcane. Black soil is rich in clay, retains moisture, ideal for cotton. Red and yellow soil, well drained, suitable for pulses, millets, and vegetables. Laterite soil, less fertile, used for plantation crops. Proper soil management involves crop rotation, manuring, and preventing erosion to maintain fertility. Irrigation in agriculture. Water is critical for agriculture. Irrigation ensures crop survival during dry periods and improves yield. Traditional methods. Wells and tanks, dug manually mainly in rural areas. Canals, channels diverted from rivers, common in plains. Ponds and rainwater harvesting, collect rainwater for irrigation. Now, what are some modern methods? Sprinkler irrigation, water distributed like rain over crops, ideal for uneven lands. Drip irrigation, water delivered directly to plant roots, save water and reduces weed growth. Tube wells and pumps, mechanized extraction of groundwater. Efficient irrigation reduces water wastage and ensures consistent crop production. Agricultural tools and technology. Agricultural tools have evolved from manual instruments to mechanized equipment Traditional tools were plow, sickle, hoe, and spade. Modern tools, tractors, harvesters, threshers, seed drillers. Precision farming, use of drones, GPS, and sensors to monitor soil and crop wealth. Mechanization reduces labor requirements and increase productivity, especially on large farms. Fertilizers and manures. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients to crops. Chemical fertilizers like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium based compounds quick effect but may harm soil if overused. Organic manure, compost, farmyard manure, green manure improves soil fertility naturally. Balanced use of fertilizers ensures high yield and soil sustainability. Pest management. Crops face threats from insects, rodents, and diseases. Chemical pesticides kill pests but may affect humans and environment. Biological control. Using natural predators to manage pests. Integrated pest management. Combining chemical, biological, and cultural practices for eco-friendly pest control. The Green Revolution. The Green Revolution 1960s to 1970s transformed Indian agriculture. Introduced high-yielding varieties of wheat, rice, and other cereals. Irrigation expansion and use of fertilizers increased productivity. Mechanization, tractors or harvesters modernized farming. Impact of Green Revolution. Positive. Food self-sufficiency, reduced famine, increased exports. Negative. Soil degradation, water depletion, chemical pollution or regional disparity. Modern and sustainable agriculture. Modern agriculture integrates technology, knowledge, and sustainability. Hydroponics and vertical farming. Soil-less cultivation using nutrient solutions. Organic farming avoids chemicals, uses natural compost. Crop rotation. Integrated farming system combines crops, livestock, fisheries, and forestry. Precision agriculture, data-driven monitoring of soil, water, and crop health. Sustainable practices ensure long-term productivity without harming the environment. Livestock and mixed farming. Agriculture is not just crop-based. Livestock farming like cattle, buffalo, poultry, goats provide milk, meat, and draft power. Mixed farming, combining crops and animals, reduces risk and increases income. Fodder crops grown to feed livestock. Livestock also contributes manure, organic fertilizer, and livelihood security. Now, what are the challenges in agriculture? Farmers face multiple challenges globally: climate change, unpredictable rainfall, heat waves, droughts, soil degradation, erosion, nutrient depletion, salinity. Pests and diseases can cause huge crop losses, market issues, price fluctuations, low access to markets, water scarcity, overuse, and depletion of groundwater. Addressing these challenges require modern technology, government policies, and sustainable practices. Now, what is the role of government and policies? Government support agriculture through subsidies, fertilizers, seeds, and irrigation equipment, minimum support prices, ensures fair returns to farmers, agricultural extension services, training farmers in modern techniques, irrigation projects, canals, dams, and water conservation programs. Government initiatives aim to increase productivity, reduce poverty, and achieve the food security. Importance of agriculture. Agriculture is crucial for food security, provides grains, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Economic growth supports rural employment and industries like textiles, sugar, and food processing. Cultural identity. Festivals, traditions, and rural life revolve around farming. Environmental balance, sustainable farming preserves soil, water, and biodiversity. Now, what is the future of agriculture? The future involves smart farming and innovation, artificial intelligence and drones, monitoring crops and predicting diseases, genetically modified crops, higher resistance to pest and climate stress. Climate smart agriculture adapts farming to environmental changes. Urban farming, rooftop gardens, vertical farms in cities. These approaches aim to feed the growing population while conserving resources. Now, what is the conclusion here? Agriculture is more than just growing food. It is a science, an art, and a livelihood. From traditional hand plowing to precision farming, it has evolved tremendously. Sustainable practices, proper water management, technology adoption, and government support are essential for a prosperous agricultural future. So, with the global population increasing, Agriculture will continue to play a key role in ensuring food security, economic stability, and environmental balance. So, for the next sessions of geography, you can like subscribe this channel now.